So mag-react tayo dito sa ASAP Divas last Sunday.
Every man has his own special dream, and the dream's just about to come true. Life's not as bad as it may seem if you open your eyes to what's in front of you.
Yeah, let's go.
Boys will make you happy. Yeah.
Mga OG divas to eh. Clarice. Si Yang tsaka si Sherry, no, medyo may resemblance. Frenchie D. Ang saya naman ng kantang to. Sing. Diba ang saya lang? Ang saya ng kanta ito. Ganda ng energy. At this point, parang lang sila, no? They're just enjoying every second of their performance. Hindi ako sanay kay Yeng na kumakanta ng English. Nice. Beautiful. Grabe din tong si longevity ni Kyla sa industry. She still can hit those challenging notes. What? I didn't see that coming. Come on, sing. Very explosive. Ang saya ng mga kanta nila talaga, promise. Nice. Grabe si Kyla. Nice. I love the drama. Grabe yung stage presence, Parang grand finals, no? Sing. Laki ng boses. Grand finals ka. Ang lalaki ng boses nitong dalawa. Grabe. Battle rounds. Grabe. Nice. That was awesome.
Amazing development starts with you and the proven nutrition of
real time kasi ito eh. Sige na. Skip na muna natin. Okay. Ano to? Clarice, let's go.
You want my love and soul right on the line.
Sheesh.
I have no doubt that I can love you forever. The only trouble is
That was beautiful.
you really don't have the time.
One night only ba to? Ay, hindi pa. Oh, Sherin. I love this slowed version. Uy! Grabe naman. Gumanti ka, ano? Clarice. Ang gagaling ah. It's really giving a battle rounds. Grabe, lakas nun. Yeah. Grabe, lalaki ng boses. Labas mo yung gigil. Jonah. Sherin. Jonah ata to. Pasok, Jonah. Oh, yeah. Woo! Impressive. First time ko marinig si Yang na kumanta ng mga pambardagulan na song. Ayan. Ito talaga bardagulan. Let's go. Ha ha ha. Uy, gumanti. Nice. Nice! Ang galing, ang galing, ang galing, ang galing. Kaya pala may may nag-comment. Oo nga, may nag-comment sa previous na mga reaction videos ko, like the recent ones, no. Sabi niya, I can't wait for you to react sa ASAP Divas. Kaya pala, because of this, very energetic, powerful, and very spontaneous siya, sa pakiramdam. It's because they're just having fun, nakita natin yung saya, no? I mean, for me, nakita ko yung saya nila sa pag-perform, and parang may konting battle na nagaganap between the pairings, no, and the trios na pinag-pair. So it was an awesome I think one of the best so far from ASAP Divas na nakita ko. Ito yun. No, I don't know, but for some reason it's very positive, no. It's because maybe I'm quite familiar with the songs, and also it was performed by the appropriate artists sa mga kanta, sa mga parts. Binigay talaga sa kung saan yung pwedeng, mas lalabas yung quality ng boses nila, and it was really amazing. Okay, that's it, and hope you guys enjoy that one. Okay, peace out everybody, much love, and don't forget, okay, mag-subscribe kayo, follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay, bye, God bless you all, peace.